boost your health and friendships every day with group fun. The habit of engaging in group activities like bowling, hiking, or dancing can prevent isolation and sedentary lifestyle. Do you know that screen time could be harming your child's speech development? According to the American Academy of Pediatrics, excessive screen time can block the development of their language skills, including their verbal communications ability. Instead of this passive activity, it shows an interactive language-rich activities like storytelling, where you encourage your child to participate by asking him or asking her an open-ended questions. It's 1 minute with Daily Dave, the real pharma guy. See you tomorrow.